गुड मॉर्निंग स्कॉलर्स। इस वीडियो लेक्चर में हम रॉल्स लॉ, आइडियल एंड नॉन आइडियल सॉल्यूशन के बारे में स्टडी करेंगे। रॉल्स लॉ, द रॉल्स लॉ स्टेट्स फॉर अ सॉल्यूशन ऑफ टू volatile liquids, the vapor pressure of each liquid in the solution is less than the respective vapor pressure of the pure liquid, and the equilibrium partial vapor pressure of the liquid is directly proportional to its mole fraction. For a solution containing two liquids, capital A and B, the partial vapor pressure of liquid A is Pa proportional to chi A, or Pa equal to K chi A। यहाँ से proportional हटेगा, एक कांस्टेंट आएगा K, फिर chi A equal to Na divided by Na plus Nb equal to mole fraction of liquid capital A. The proportionality constant is obtained by considering the pure liquid when chi A equal to 1, then K equal to P naught A. The vapor pressure of pure liquid, hence Pa equal to P naught A chi A and Pb equal to P naught B chi B. The total pressure, the total vapor pressure of the solution, P total equal to Pa plus Pb equal to P naught A chi A plus P naught B chi B equal to P naught A plus P naught B minus P naught A into chi V. Next topic is ideal and non-ideal solution. Liquid solution can be classified into ideal and non-ideal solution on the basis of Raoult's law. First is ideal solution. The solution which obey Raoult's law over the entire range of concentration are known as ideal solution. The ideal solution have two other important properties. The enthalpy of mixing of the pure component to form the solution is zero, and the volume of mixing is also zero. That is, delta mix H equal to 0 and delta mix B equal to 0. It means that no heat is absorbed or evolved when the components are mixed. Also, the volume of solution would be equal to the sum of volume of the two components. At molecular level, ideal behavior of the solution can be explained by considering two components capital A and B. In pure component, the intermolecular attractive interaction will be of type capital A and capital B, whereas in the binary solution, in addition to those two interaction, AB type of interaction will also be present. If the intermolecular attractive forces between the capital A and capital B are nearly equal to those between A and B, this led to formation of ideal solution. A perfectly ideal solution is rare, but some solutions are nearly ideal in behavior. solution of n-hexane and normal heptane, bromoethane and chloroethane, benzene and toluene, etc. fall into this category. Second is non-ideal solution. When a solution does not obey Raoult's law over the entire range of concentration, then it is called a non-ideal solution. The vapor pressure of such a solution is either higher or lower than that predicted by Raoult's law. If it is higher, the solution exhibits positive deviation, and if it is lower, it exhibits negative deviation. From Raoult's law, the plot of various pressure are known as function of mole fraction. The cause of the deviation lie in the nature of interaction at the molecular level. In case of positive deviation from Raoult's law, capital A and B interaction are bigger than those between capital A and capital A, or capital B or capital B and capital B. That is, in this case, the intermolecular rotative forces between the solute solvent molecules are bigger than those between the solute and solvent molecules. This means that is, in such solution, molecules of A, capital A or capital B will find it easier to escape than in pure state. This will increase in the vapor pressure and result in positive deviation. Mixtures of ethanol and acetone behave in this manner. In pure ethanol, molecules are hydrogen bonded. On adding acetone, its molecule get in between the host molecules and break some of the hydrogen bonds between them. Due to breaking of interaction, the solution shows positive deviation from Raoult's law. In case of negative deviation from Raoult's law, the intermolecular attractive forces between capital A and capital B are bigger than those between capital A and B, and leads to decrease in vapor pressure resulting in negative deviation. An example of this type of mixture of phenol and aniline. In this case, the intermolecular hydrogen bonding between phenolic protons and lone pair on nitrogen atom of aniline is stronger than the respective intermolecular hydrogen bonding between similar molecules. Similarly, a mixture of chloroform and acetone forms a solution with negative deviation from Raoult's law. This is because chloroform molecules is able to form hydrogen bond with acetone molecules as shown. This is the formula of CH3 whole twice double bond O. It is acetone and it is chloroform molecules. क्लोरोफॉर्म मॉलिक्यूल्स एसीटोन मॉलिक्यूल्स के साथ हाइड्रोजन बॉन्ड फॉर्म करता है, इसीलिए ये दोनों मिक्सचर रॉल्ट्स लॉ से नेगेटिव डेविएशन को शो करते हैं।